making a Homer invented electric hammer. The nail hammer handle is just plastic, for processing. Use a saw to saw off the hammer head. Draw the lines. Saw off the extra parts on both sides of the picked up wooden dam. Only leave the middle for processing. Get up on the tenon. Use a wash knife to wash out a groove. The motor that powers the hammer. Wait and then it can be placed in this position. This wood is incredibly easy to work with. It swings with no resistance at all. Get a right angle geared motor. This thing has a huge. It should be able to drive the hammer, representing where it will go. Just right. The shoe tip here also needs some processing. Wash away the middle part completely, leaving only the two sides. Then use a drill to drill through it along the edge. Also drill holes on the wooden handle side, for easy connection to the hammerhead. Align the holes. Try inserting a screw. It's okay, right? Feels like the range of motion isn't enough. Cut the sheet metal. Make a rocker arm for the hammerhead. Increase the stroke. It's not turning. What's going on? The power isn't off either. Wake up, me. The outlet is not turned on. The rocker arm is fixed tightly to the hammerhead. This side of the wooden handle can move freely. Don't tighten it too much. Let's give it a try. Ooh, this is so useful. Process a disc on the lathe. Drill a hole on the side and connect it to the center hole. Then screw in a set screw all the way in with a screw tap. The disc is stuck on the shaft. Tighten the screws and it's done. The semi-finished product looks so beautiful. We also need to make a crank, connecting the motor to the disc that connects to the copper piece of the hammerhead. Together, the two can convert circular motion into reciprocating motion. Add the small female stick. Use a cleaning knife to nibble on both sides. Leave only a little bit in the middle. Then rub the two right angles into fillets. Drill a hole at each end. Fix it under the hammerhead. First drill a hole in the wooden handle. Prepare a linear bearing. Put a connecting rod in later. Can move freely up and down. Use a 3-piece clamp to fix the linear bearing. Push the assembled connecting rod over. See? Isn't it smooth? Then the fist will go up and down to knock knock knock. Finally, connect the crank and connecting rod together with screws. Also, drill a hole under the wooden handle. Avoid it, for placing the electromagnet. This sanding shape under the wooden board is easy to hold in your hand. Half a layer of silver is needed to match the metal. Connect the right angle motor to the corner wires and put it back in place. Use electrical tape for simple fixation, as long as it doesn't fly out later. Wrap the wires a little bit too. Take a small battery. Wrap the positive and negative poles. Put it into the hole that was just broken, and you're done. Try it out. Hehehe. This will be the effect. It's just like how we normally hammer nails. First, put the nail through the board. Then give it a couple of taps. First, fix the aiming hammer. It can basically be done in 3/5 divided by 2. Let's see the performance of this electric hammer. Ha 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 hey. Degraded. It's just that it's so difficult to hammer these small nails. Can't help but turn into a stubborn fish. Like this. How can that work? The battery should be too small. Kong Meng's electric hammer is very powerful. The force is so great. Can't even hold it down. Let's use this adjustable regulated power supply. If you want to be careless, just turn it up. As long as it doesn't burn out the motor. Let's try it. Hey, this is much better. It's obviously stronger. It can knock in big nails directly. It's still not easy to aim. This thing. It took a while to get it hammered in. I feel, let's change to a smaller one. Ha ha ha, it's hard to control. I finally got the hang of it. Basically, every hammer can hit. Won't waste it. The only advantage of this electric hammer is that it can provide emotional value. Make you laugh while hammering. It doesn't take too long to hammer in a nail. This one took almost 1800 seconds.